Nap time.
Let's go. Okay, can you see my hair? What do you think? I'm going darker auburn because my red was getting really faded and brassy and it was time for a change. And I am exhausted, so it is a really good day to get some new color and a fresh cut. Oh yeah, and I have no makeup on and I'm out at a spa. So one of my eyebrows is done and the other one's not filled and I have no mascara on. Nothing. This is me without makeup. But I had lip gloss in my purse, so rocking the lips. And that's it. A is for Aiden. That's right. Good job.
I'm gonna do big words.
You do big boy words. Yes.
Not baby words.
That's right. Not baby words. You're getting so big. You know that A is for Aiden. That's awesome. A is for awesome.
I'm gonna get bigger.
Bigger.
I'm gonna get bigger, Mama.
Oh, baby. I mean, yes, big boy. You're gonna get bigger.
Okay, and then big.
You're gonna make me cry. Yeah. I love you. We're gonna go to the tide pools today in La Jolla and see starfish.
Wow.
Yeah, and little crabs.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a homeschool homeschool outing with my friend Alicia and her kids today. She homeschools her 3 children and then she has a baby. Yeah, she homeschools all her kids, but homeschooling doesn't mean you're stuck in the house all day. It's just called homeschool. They should really just call it wherever school. School of life, man. So she's been homeschooling her kids for a while. And we're just getting into it with Aiden because he's in preschool. Aiden, you're in preschool.
Yeah.
It's just kind of funny. It's called preschool. So you're like, nah, that's before school, but you're really in school. Who thought of that? Preschool. Isn't that just babysitting if it's preschool? Here we go. The minivan has pulled out. I am trying not to do the minivan thing, but once we have 3... Aiden, do you want another baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, your daddy does too, and I do as well. I'm just trying to figure out timing. When should we get a baby, Aiden? Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow it is. Okay, if someone gives us a baby tomorrow, we'll take her. Or him. Take her or him. Yeah. Fire hydrant. Another fire hydrant. Moving right along in search of good times and good news. Good friends you can't lose. This could become a habit. Opportunities, let's reach out and grab it. Together we can have it. Sex or yellow cabbage. Moving right along. Be free. There is nothing fun to it with me. Little crab, little pinchy crab. Little crab, little pinchy crab. Oh, is that like that's like the president song, Eden. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, crabby president.
A Zurg, and a president.
Buzz Lightyear, Zurg, and the president?
Yeah.
Wow, that is quite the combo.
Yeah.
I bet the president likes Buzz Lightyear and Zurg.
Yeah.
I bet you he does, because he has 2 little girls.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a daddy.
Oh.
You need to pray for the president. Do you pray for the president?
No.
We need to do that more so that you know how to do that.
Yes.
You're going to pray for Buzz Lightyear and Zurg?
Yeah.
Buzz Lightyear in Zurg.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some nice people made Buzz Lightyear and Zurg up at Pixar.
Yeah.
And we can pray for them.
Yeah.
That's cool. Boy, oh boy. Oh my word, Alicia. Well, she doesn't really know where she's going. So we're making kind of sharp turns. And I'm following her, so it's... Oh, we're fine. I just had to make a quick right. It is all good in the hood. Although there's really no hood in La Jolla. We are in a very nice neighborhood right now. Hey, we're almost there! How exciting! What are you making, Declan?
A house.
What?
House.
A house?
Yeah.
A sand house? Cool. Aiden, what are you making? What are you doing, bud? Your feet? Oh no, what was that? Is there a little... Okay, can you see this crab? Wow, what's that blue thing? Oh, Aiden, you're brave and you don't even know it. I told him, get up on the rock. I know, no water. I'm holding your hand. Okay, so this is La Jolla Shores. Look at how beautiful this is. When I'm at my chiropractor, this is the part that sticks out in the far, far background. I don't know if you can see all the kayakers out there. John and I have done that before, because the cove is over there and it's really cool. There's certain times of year this red crab comes out and the water is so filled with it. It's like red water. It's really kind of bizarre, but very, very cool. These poor boys, they don't go to the beach enough. They're scared of the moving water. I mean, I guess it could be pretty scary for a little guy. Did you have fun? Did you see the crab? Crab.
It's a crab.
Yeah, you saw the crab? Okay, so this morning my boys are just being crabby and I was like, you know what? You're being crabby? Let's go look at a crab. So that's what we did. Aiden has a bit of a stuffy nose, but Alicia was just like, you know what? Just come out. We'll try to keep the kids apart. And you know what? Really, like, you know, you don't want to infect other children or anything, but if you stay inside every time your kid's sick, you're going to live indoors like most of your mommyhood. So it is just so gorgeous out today. I mean, oh my word, I'm in La Jolla on the beach. Oh, and do you see my toes? Like, this is the pedicure I got with those gels, and they still look really good. I mean, when was that video when I was talking about my Sarah Saturday? They still look amazing. Nothing has chipped off yet. So I still think it's worth it. Hi. Do you like the beach? The houses here are pretty crazy. I mean, look at that. It's like... I mean, good grief. And this one just looks like the kind of an abandoned ship, but it's probably like gorgeous inside. And then, but this one's like a Grecian something. What?